Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will be teaching you about designing the actual banner ads. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
All right guys, so we are inside of Banner Snack, and this is where we're going to create our AdWords banner ad. Now, there's two options here, single banner and banner set. Banner set is an incredibly useful tool that you need to be aware of. It can really decrease the amount of time that you spend trying to customize all the different dimensions and sizes of banners. You just grab your main elements, so your main image and your headline and maybe a little bit more text, and then you create one ad, and then it automatically creates all the rest of those ads in all the different dimensions. The sidebar dimension, the header dimension, the perfect square dimension, the smaller perfect square dimension. You understand what I'm saying? And all you do is you go through after it's auto-generated those, and you click and drag things around a little bit. It's an incredibly useful tool. Now, to keep things simple for the purpose of this lesson, we're just going to make a single banner ad to use inside of the Google Display Network ads platform. So let's go with a standard large rectangle. Now, there's a ton of great templates to work with and to start with. We're going to skip these, and of course there's some seasonal ones here taking up most of the queue. We're going to go ahead and create our own. So I'm going to come over here to add image. I'm going to grab this image of a gal over here, put her right there. We're going to scale her a little bit so she takes up a little bit less space. There we go. Almost perfect. Okay, and that gives us a little bit of room for a headline above her. Let's add some text. Because of the size of the ad, we'll just use the subheadline size. And we're going to say, just for grins, that we're selling some type of a tooth whitening kit, okay? So let's actually put the word overnight there. We'll grab a larger headline text. We'll put whiter teeth overnight, and let's give it a little bit of color. Blue and some red. Whiter teeth overnight. Pretty straightforward, standard toothpaste ad. These have not changed very much in the last 200 years or so, I don't think. Let's see. So everything jives here. Okay, this is a good square banner ad. We've got a smiling woman with white teeth. We've got the headline, whiter teeth overnight, and we would presumably be sending someone, when they click on this, to a landing page for a free, trial kit or something like that if we were doing a loss leader thing, or we could send them directly to a sales page or an e-commerce store or something along those lines so that we can get them into our funnel and offer them our solution. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and we'll call this Teeth 01. And let's see, let's save again. And this time what we'll do is we'll download the PNG. So now we'll come over here to Google AdWords, and we are going to click on, let's go to campaigns, new campaign, and now we need to pick a goal for this campaign, which is what we'll do in the next lesson.